Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're heading to the lush and vibrant rainforest to discover an amazing bird. Are you ready to play? Let's begin our adventure! Here's your first clue. Look at these bright, colorful feathers. This bird's feathers are known for their brilliant and eye-catching colors. Can you guess which bird this might be? Think about it for a moment. Your next clue, this bird lives in the rainforest. The dense, green canopy provides it with plenty of food and places to perch. Have you figured out which bird we're talking about yet? Here's another hint. This bird is famous for its ability to mimic sounds, including the calls of other birds and even human voices. It often surprises people with its impressive vocal skills. Do you know what it is? Here's one more clue. This bird loves to eat fruits and nuts. Its strong beak helps it crack open hard shells to get to the tasty nuts inside. Now, can you guess what bird this is? Let's recap. Our mystery bird has bright, colorful feathers, lives in the rainforest, can mimic sounds, and eats fruits and nuts. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a parrot, you're absolutely right! Parrots are beautiful and intelligent birds that brighten up the rainforest with their colors and sounds. Great job, everyone! Did you know that there are over 350 species of parrots? parrots can live up to 80 years. They are highly social and often live in flocks. Parrots are also one of the few animals that can use their feet to bring food to their mouths. Aren't they fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.